this is a breakdown video for this performance. I hope to make a separate video explaining new features of BlueARP 2.5.0, and now just some basic ideas. As for the synth, I have this Roland VSC, Virtual Sound Canvas, which plays all the synth lines and all the drums. This is the only synth I use here. I have 5 BlueARPs and the master track which feeds the notes into these BlueARPs. This one is the right hand, it's just a pass through. For the solo stuff I play with the right hand. Next, and the biggest thing, is the drums. Now BlueARP can sequence drums. We have this operation mode, which can be either arpeggiator or drum sequencer. In drum sequencer mode, these lanes become basically drum lanes that sequence drum notes. They work the same way. These names are just for the sake of convenience. You can have whatever you want, not only kick, any sound you like. And you can select these sounds like this way. So this is our drum rhythm, and we can solo individual lanes. This is our kick. This is our snare. Yet pretty simple. Hi-hats. And here we have this random velocity. It adds some random values to the velocity and humanizes the rhythm a little bit. Nothing here. And the percussion, again, we have some random velocity here. All the steps are set to random, which basically triggers randomly one of these 5 notes for each step. And now probability, trigger probability. If I reduce it to somewhere around 30%, only third part of the notes get triggered. Let's unmute it and listen to the whole rhythm. So not that boring as a straight repeated drum loop. I think cool set of features. Next big thing is this chain variations. Now in addition to every chain, you have this up to 3 variations, and each variation is basically another totally different program sequence. And the variation is triggered automatically by the predefined set of conditions or rules. In this case, chain 1 variation 1, root node G and chord type sus2. The chord G sus2 basically. So the way it works, if I press G, I have my default variation, the straight drum rhythm. And once I press G sus2, I trigger the drum fill. Back on G, straight rhythm, G sus2, drum fill. Back on G. So this is the way it works. And I can have 2 more variations here for either different chords or different keys I press or don't press. We have quite a few options here to choose from. And this operator is not only equal but not equal, greater, lesser, in range, not in range. So quite a few options to experiment and choose from. Then let's move to the bass. This is our bass track. Again, I have a chain variation for G-sus2. It works together with the drum fill, and for the drum fill it will be slightly different bass sequence. Let's check how it works. So this is the bass sequence, and this one is for the drum fill, the default one. Not a big difference, just a subtle one. Then we have this left hand sequence. No chain variations here, just a single program. So this clean guitar with kind of increased release and added reverb. And it's all internal effects of the Roland VSC. I didn't do any additional effects in FL Studio. So I could do the same with the hardware Sound Canvas. Left hand bell. This is a long chain. Three dummy programs of 4 beats on one bar. Three empty bars, and then in the end a short bell sequence, which helps me to kind of hear where this master loop of 4 bars starts all over again. So this is all for the left hand. And together it sounds like this. Again, let's check. This is, I'm playing A minor. This is G. And now G-sus2, the drum fill. The drum fill will loop over and over unless I change the chords. And this is it for now. You can find this FL Studio project attached in the description of the video. So thanks for watching, especially those who watched to the end. Stay tuned and have fun with BlueARP. Bye.